welcome back to my channel. And as you can see, I have made a list. This video is going to be a get it all done video, and I will be doing some cleaning, some organizing, and I will also be sharing with you guys my lasagna soup recipe. So let's start off by cleaning the inside of these sofas. As you can see, there are crumbs in the cracks from my kids. Yes, I do let them eat sometimes. So I will be cleaning that, and then after that I will be cleaning my dining room tables. Then I will be organizing my washroom, or my washroom. So yeah, you guys stick around, stay tuned, and I hope you get all the cleaning motivation from this video. Okay, so next I will be cleaning my dining room chairs, and these are the chairs that my kids sit on a lot, and they have spilled some things on here. So I will be cleaning it with some Tough Scuff spray that I purchased from Walmart, and I use this in my car and it works wonders in my car. So I thought that maybe I would try it on my dining room chairs, and it did a good job. But I was using a towel. I don't have a cleaning machine, so I felt like I wanted it to come out, better than what it came out. So next time I will be purchasing a machine to clean that, but it did a good job. So if you guys are interested in using this Tough Scuff spray, go for it. So I wanted to share with you guys something that I was reading the other day. I wanted to speak to y'all about Joshua. I was reading the book of Joshua, the 3rd chapter. And in that chapter, Joshua had told the Israelites that they would cross the Jordan River, right? God had told him that they would cross the Jordan River. And what I noticed in Joshua 3:15 is at that time, when they were crossing the river, it was harvest time. And that's when the Jordan River overflows its banks, and it was at its fullest. But when they stepped foot in the water, as God told them to do, the water stops flowing and filled behind the place like a dam. So, God made a way for the Israelites at a time that seemed so impossible, just to show him that he is God. So I want you guys to remember this. This is the second time, because God had split the Red Sea when Moses was their leader. So whatever you are going through, it may seem impossible because of the circumstances, but I'm here to tell you that that's when God does his most greatest miracles, when it seems impossible. And not only will he do it, but he will do it several times, just like he did for the Israelites.
Stuck in the past watching videos of us. I have been trying to get rid of your stuff, but voices in my head are telling me to stop. It's all I have left, all I have of you. Thought I was more than a body to hold, baby. I wanted you, wanted us to be something more. I was so sure, but let my guard down for you. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? I gave you my heart and you tore it apart. Don't know why you had to hurt me like that. 'Cause now I'm messed up, drinking non-stop, just trying to forget you and everything we said, but I can't seem to get these thoughts out of my head. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that, love me like that? Oh, staying inside in my bed all day long, listening to sad songs and feeling so low, thinking about you and where we went wrong. 'Cause I wanna know why you let me go. Thought I was more than a body to hold, baby. I wanted you, wanted us to be something more. I was so sure, I let my guard down for you. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that?
So now I'm going to just wipe off the countertops. The kitchen was already kind of clean. We didn't really use the kitchen that morning because our electricity was off because of the ice storm. So I just needed to just kind of wipe down the countertops. And then after that, I will be decluttering my washroom.
Baby, why'd you have to love me like that, love me like that? Oh, thought I was more than a body to hold, baby. I wanted you, wanted us to be something more. I was so sure, let my guard down for you. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? I gave you my heart.
So here is the before of my laundry room. Y'all, I'm so embarrassed to show y'all this, but this is my reality. This is how my laundry room has been looking for a long time, and it was driving me crazy. So I said, you know what? I'm going to tackle this. I wasn't going to do it because, like I said, the lights was off because of the ice storm. But as soon as them lights kick on, I was like, I got to get this done. I'm sick of it. I had to do it. So I will be taking everything down, and then I will be putting these some of the items in some bins.
Taking just be. Don't take it. Taking just don't be. And live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, 'cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus.
So I purchased these cube organizers from Dollar General. They were $4 a piece. So I will be using these, and this is just like a quick fix, guys. In the future, I will be probably, redoing this whole laundry room. I'll probably be taking down the shelves and putting some new shelves and probably painting and stuff. But this is just something that I needed to do for now because I was sick of looking at it like that. So yeah, so I brought these cube organizers from Dollar General for $4, and I will be using these to organize my stuff. I also had these extra stickers left over from Amazon. I think Dollar Tree has some very similar, and I didn't really like how these look. I don't like my handwriting. So, and they also don't stick good on this type of fabric, so I wouldn't recommend getting anything like this. But yeah, so I will be using that, and they won't stay. But that's all I had, so I used what I had.
If you got my number, don't add me, 'cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life.
So I purchased these little small pitchers from Amazon, and I will be putting my fabric softener and my washing liquid inside of these things just to make it look a little more fancier in the washroom instead of these big old bulky, jugs. So I will be using that. And I thought that it was cute. I saw the idea on Pinterest.
Told you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my. All good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me we'll be on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy.
So as you can see, I was trying to figure out how I was going to kind of like decorate it, make it look a little cute. So yeah, this is what I came up with. Like I said before, this is just something to do right now for the washroom, just so that I can, look at it and not be disgusted by it. But in the future, I will be redoing this whole laundry room. I will be taking those shelves down. I probably will add some wallpaper and put some new shelves, and it's gonna look so cute. So this is just a little quick fix, and this is how it came out, guys. It looks so much better than what it was looking like before. So much better. Not perfect, but it looked good.
But when we get back, it's like, oh my, all bad all day, but the night I get that good till we act right.
So now I'm going to be showing you guys my lasagna soup recipe. I got this recipe off of Pinterest, and I tweaked it to my liking. On Pinterest, it has so many ingredients and other stuff that you add to it, but I like to keep mine simple. I didn't like all that stuff that they had. So what I do is I browned my ground meat in my Ninja Foodie pressure cooker. You can probably use this in any kind of pressure cooker. And so I browned it, put my onions, I put a little bit of garlic powder, onion powder, and my seasoning. And I also add some Worcester sauce. And anytime that I cook with ground beef or any kind of beef, I use Worcester sauce, and I feel like it makes it taste so much flavorful. So after I brown all that, I will be adding some chicken broth. And then you add your tomato sauce. I use spaghetti tomato sauce. You can use any kind of tomato sauce you like. And then I add in some crushed lasagna noodles inside. And then I close the pressure cooker, and I pressure cook it for about 5 to 6 minutes. Oh, and you also add cheese. And then you pressure cook it for like 5 to 6 minutes, and boom, that's it. A easy, quick dinner for your family.
Got me blameless, make amends, no you can't about here. Trying to control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we can share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we can.
And look at that, guys. It was so good. I felt like I could have added a little more chicken broth to it, but it was good, y'all. And it's, it tastes like spaghetti lasagna, but it's just in a quick way. It's you can get that same lasagna taste, but in a quicker way. So yeah, guys, this is the finished product. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Have a blessed day.